start your own business. With Success Factory, you have a great opportunity to start your own business and become an independent entrepreneur. You can do it part-time or full-time and decide when and where you want to work. By joining Success Factory, you get your own personal web shop. Success Factory will take care of the hosting, billing, customer service, and everything else. All you need to do is acquire customers. You can start your own business with only €25. Next to your web shop, you'll get access to business reporting tools, SF pipeline system, online training courses, and bonus materials such as the ebook Why They Buy by world-known coach and writer Cherry Tree. At Success Factory, we have developed great products and services as well as positioned ourselves with highly respected partners in the world. As an affiliate of Success Factory, you will have the opportunity to create a residual income. Through your personal web shop, you will be able to acquire customers and then get paid month by month, year by year, for as long as the customer stays. For a year and a half now, Success Factory has been developing Forex Insiders. More than $5 trillion is traded on average on the Forex markets every day. Experienced people are able to make a lot of money. Forex Insiders, a team of experienced day traders, combined with machine learning and artificial intelligence techniques, is now at your service. The aim is to help you navigate through a massive flow of information in the Forex industry and provide you with only the most important items. 4 Forex robots have been programmed, the main of which applies more than 50 strategies and parameters to elaborate trading ideas for 28 currency pairs. A team of experienced trading analysts then checks those ideas manually, not pursuing quantity, but high quality. Forex Insiders focuses on highly valuable trading ideas, processing news, and overviews that really matter. On average, the robot, backed by the team, will provide about 20 first-rate trading ideas per month. This is not all. Our next product is from our partner, Bank, founded by Cherry Tree.
Hi, I'm Cherry Tree, founder and chairman of Codebreaker Technologies, and I'm so excited for our partnership with Success Factory. We're here to announce 2 new products powered by the Bank methodology.
Bank is the only methodology in the world scientifically validated to predict buying behavior in real time. Using cutting-edge artificial intelligence combined with sales intelligence will actually help you understand how to communicate, negotiate, and close sales easily and efficiently with your customers based on their buying behavior and values. This cutting-edge science combined with emotional intelligence allows you to master the art of communication as well as sales, creating an overall impact to optimize your business and maximize your results. Another project we offer through Success Factory is DAGcoin, the first cryptocurrency designed for using, not trading. We believe that DAGcoin is the future of finance, a step up from regular money. DAGcoin offers improved transaction speed, reduced, almost zero commission, while giving access to money to more people with lesser restrictions and limitations, and preventing fraud and illegal financial activities. More freedom and security to transact. DAGcoin was created to fulfill all of these criteria, to become a digital version of money that people can use all around the world. An associated project is called DAGPay, an easy, efficient, and powerful crypto payment system. DAGPay is made to be used by everyone, everywhere, to quickly accept DAGcoin payments. Fast transactions, fast confirmations. DAGPay provides an easy-to-integrate and use checkout system for your online store, a simple and efficient point-of-sale, POS, and an instant email invoice system. Effortlessly accept DAGcoin payments with DAGPay's unmatched payment solution. Your customers will benefit greatly from all these products, and you will create a passive income for yourself. As long as your customer is active, you will earn commissions. You also have the possibility to share this amazing opportunity with as many people as you want. How many people do you know who would like more freedom in their lives? Just introduce them into the Success Factory community, and when they decide to join and make customers, you will also earn commissions on those customers. That is real freedom. When you are a part of Success Factory, you are in business for yourself, but not by yourself. To all our affiliates, we provide online and local support, as well as access to global events to help them run their business like a pro. And remember, you are always one decision away from a totally different life.